Good afternoon, everyone. In today's class of web technology, I will discuss tables in HTML. Yes, as we know, table is a collection of rows and columns. Similarly, we use tables in HTML. Here is the definition. Whenever grouped information needs to be presented, tabular representation is the best option, and it is also a best option on web pages too. A table is a collection of rows and columns. Tables are used for arranging the layout of a web page. So simple. Whenever we want grouped information, we will use table, which is the collection of rows and columns. So in table there will be rows and columns. Rows are horizontal, columns are vertical. Rows define the height, columns define the width of a table. So basic table tags. Now there are some tags for making a table in HTML. First, table tag, table on, table off. This is a tag which marks the beginning and end of the table. So for assigning table in HTML, for making table on web page in HTML, we use table tag, table on, table off. Now it is the syntax table space align is equal to inverted comma dash, border is equal to inverted comma dash, cell padding is equal to inverted comma dash, cell spacing is equal to inverted comma dash, width is equal to inverted commas dash. Similarly, we can use height also, table of. So now we will define the attributes for table tag. The table tag can have following attributes. First, align. Here the definition is same as we discussed in paragraph tag. Align means align, it is used for alignments. So it specifies the alignment of the table in web page. The possible values are left, right and center as they were in p tag. Align means एक सीध में करना, means left, right और center. टेबल को कहाँ पे लगाना है in web page. Second, border. It specifies the width of the border to be drawn around table cells. Cell means collection of row and column. Cell means a box, particular box having rows and columns. It is called cell. So it specifies the width of the border to be drawn around all table cells. By default there is no border. Possible values are 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here one statement is very important to note down, that by default there is no border in table. So for making table we will definitely have to use this attribute border, otherwise there will be no row and column visible in the table. Next is cell padding. Cell padding means the space between the content and inside of a cell is called cell padding. Cell padding क्या है? Cell padding is the space between content and inside of the cell. Possible values are 1, 2, 3 and so on. Cell padding means it's just a space. If we want to mention a space between content and inside of the cell, we will use cell padding. In table we will use cell padding without space. Here we can see we have written cell padding without space. Similar is the case with cell spacing. We will use cell spacing without space. Here we can see the syntax. So cell spacing, it is the amount of space between cells in a table is called cell spacing. It is the amount of space between two cells. दो सेल के बीच में इतना स्पेस होगा, that is called cell spacing. Similarly, the possible values are 1, 2, 3 dash. Next is width. It is used to specify the width of the table. The maximum width can be the max size of the monitor in pixel. I already told pixel stand for picture element. So width means how much width we want of the table. Similarly, we can assign the maximum width of the size of the monitor in pixels. As like width, we can define height also. Here is the example. Here is the second tag. It was the first tag table. Now only table is not enough to make a table. There are other tags. Point 2, TR tag. TR, this stands for table row. Yes, TR stands for table row. Means, as I told, table is a collection of rows and columns. So for making particular row in a table, we will use TR tag. This stands for table row. To add a row in a table, TR tags are used. For each row there will be a set of TR tags. Syntax table. Inside table we will use TR tag with an attribute BG color. I already discussed this attribute in body tag. BG color stands for body background color. We can give the color name, or I already discussed we can give the hexadecimal value related with that color. So syntax is TR BG color is equal to inverted comma dash then dash tr of table of. Attribute of tr tag, I already discussed. bg color attribute is used with tr tag. This attribute is used to set the background color. Yes, bg color means background color. If you want to assign the color of table row, you can add bg color attribute with tr tag. The possible value can be any color name or its hexadecimal value or code. Third, td tag. Yes, there are three tags which are used for making tables. First, table tag, second, tr tag, third, td. As we know, we have created blank table, we have created blank rows in the table. Now how do we fill data in that table? So for filling data into the table or n table rows, we will use td tag. This stands for table data. Yes, it is used for filling data, so the name of the tag is td. So this stands for table data. The table data tags define each cell in the table. td defines each cell. They must be placed within the tr tag. Yes, first of all we will start table tag, then tr tag, and inside tr tag we will put td tag. So syntax will be table on, tr on, td on. That here some attributes also are written of td tag. Align already I have discussed in table tag. td align is equal to dot comma dash dash. Possible value I have already discussed, left, right, center. Next, call span, row span. These are used for spending or expanding any column or an row. Row span is used for expanding the table into height. Similarly, call span is used for expanding the table into width. Next, td of, tr of, table of. I will discuss in detail call span and row span tomorrow. Till now I have discussed the meaning of table, how do we make table in HTML. Then there are three basic tags for making table: table tag, tr tag, td tag. Syntax I have discussed. Also there are attributes for making table. We can use with height attribute. Border is very important. We can also use align, cell padding, cell spacing. Next, tr is used for table row. It has only one attribute, bg color. td is used for table data. It has three attributes: align, call span, row span. So the tags are used for table are table tag, tr tag, td tag. Okay, this is for today. Next, in the next class I will discuss the full meaning of call span, row span, and the example. How will we make table in web page? I will discuss with example. Okay, thank you for today.